So ECOVACS sent over their T50 MAX PRO Omni robot vacuum and asked me to compare it to the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. So in this video, we're going to take a look at all of the T50 MAX PRO Omni's key features, including its thorough vacuum and mopping capabilities, its advanced edge cleaning system, and its standout strong suit being its highly advanced set of autonomous features and actions, and how all of these features compare to the L40 Ultra Gen 2. So taking a look at both of the robot's docks and overall designs, they both offer premium looking and feeling configurations with easily accessible clean and dirty water tanks on top. The T50 MAX PRO Omni's water tanks are a bit more accessible than the L40 Ultra Gen 2's because there's no lid allowing you to easily fill or empty them as needed. But on the other hand, the L40 Ultra Gen 2's dock does look a bit more minimalistic because the tanks are tucked away and not exposed front and center. There's a lot of impressive tech that goes into the cleaning process that happens at these docks after a cleaning process takes place, which we're going to get into a bit later in the video after we actually do some vacuuming and mopping. So let's kick things off with the number one capability that matters with robot vacuums, being vacuuming and suction power when deep cleaning your home. And I put both of these robots through all of the most common and frustrating messes, being scattered crumbs, crushed up food, cereal, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpeted areas, and both the T50 MAX PRO Omni and the L40 Ultra Gen 2 did a solid job. And I didn't have any hair get tangled up in the brushes of either the T50 MAX PRO Omni or the L40 Ultra Gen 2, so no worries there. While the L40 Ultra Gen 2 actually has a stronger 25,000 pascals of suction power in comparison to the T50 MAX PRO Omni, which has 18,500 pascals of suction power, I didn't notice any real-world difference. And where the T50 MAX PRO Omni really starts to show its strength is with its overall superior smart automation, which comes into play with various features of the T50 MAX PRO Omni, one of which being its edge cleaning capabilities. And while the L40 Ultra Gen 2 and the T50 MAX PRO Omni both deliver competent edge and corner cleaning, thanks to the T50 MAX PRO Omni's True Edge 2 technology, it's able to extend both its side brush and its mop pads extremely close to edges, delivering meticulously detailed corner cleaning and cleaning along baseboards, continuously adjusting to match whatever environment or situation it's in, even while the robot is turning. And this same level of automation and awareness is also present with the T50 MAX PRO Omni's mopping capabilities. Both the L40 Ultra Gen 2 and the T50 MAX PRO Omni do a decent job cleaning up messes, whether it be coffee spills, sauce spills, or food spills. But yet again, the T50 MAX PRO Omni sets itself apart with its automation and default AI capabilities. The T50 MAX PRO Omni will automatically determine if a spill, mess, or stain is a particularly tough one. And if it is, it'll give that area a particularly thorough cleaning, maximizing efficiency on the fly without having to adjust any settings beforehand or do anything manually. Both the L40 Ultra Gen 2 and the T50 MAX PRO Omni have mop lift capability, which means when transitioning from mopping a hard floor to vacuuming a carpet or rug, the mop pads that scrub and clean will automatically lift up, so the robots can safely vacuum without any moisture from the mopping getting transferred over to the carpet or rugs. And one of the T50 MAX PRO Omni's biggest advantages is its substantially higher 18mm mop lifting in comparison to the L40 Ultra Gen 2's lower 10.5mm mop lifting, which is very helpful if you have taller carpets or rugs, as you have quite a bit of headroom ensuring you'll never have to worry about any contamination. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, the cleaning processes that occur at the docks for both of these robot vacuums are quite extensive, as after cleaning up dirty spills and messes, those mop pads are going to be in need of a deep cleaning. So both the L40 Ultra Gen 2 and the T50 MAX Pro Omni go through a hot water washing and a hot air drying process at their respective docks. The T50 MAX Pro Omni dries its mop pads using 63 degrees Celsius hot air. And going along with the same theme of automation and actions being custom tailored to whatever scenario is at play, the T50 MAX Pro Omni will automatically vary its hot water mop washing temperature based on how dirty the mop pads are, from anywhere between 40 and 75 degrees Celsius, creating the most hygienic experience, which in turn will help extend the lifespan of its mop pads. This level of contextual awareness with the T50 MAX Pro Omni is something that I find quite impressive, and quite possibly one of the nicest quality of life additions that the T50 MAX Pro Omni has is its automatic detergent refilling. All you have to do is add the cleaning solution into the dock once, and that's it. From there on out, the dock will automatically dispense detergent during cleaning as needed without you having to lift a finger. With the L40 Ultra Gen 2, you unfortunately do not get any automatic detergent refilling unless you go out and buy the separately sold module to do so, which is going to cost you more money. So having that built right into the T50 MAX Pro Omni is just another example of its versatile autonomy being its strong suit, and a compelling one at that. And when it comes to threshold crossing, such as door thresholds, room dividers, or even rugs, both robot vacuums can handle 2.2 centimeter threshold crossing. And the same thing goes for obstacle avoidance. Both robots use AI combined with structured light obstacle avoidance to prevent interruptions from objects strewn about, and to just overall improve the cleaning efficiency. And when it comes to mapping and navigation, they both use LiDAR. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 uses a combination of LiDAR and its own vision technology, while the T50 MAX Pro Omni focuses on fast and accurate LiDAR mapping. And in terms of the initial mapping process and overall navigation during typical use, both robot vacuums perform quite well. And one of the coolest and most useful features that the T50 MAX Pro Omni has is its video monitoring feature, which allows you to tap into the camera on the T50 MAX Pro Omni using the ECOVACS Home app on your smartphone to check in on anything in your home. You can check in while the T50 MAX Pro Omni is cleaning, or you can manually steer it around your home at any time to check up on anything in your home, maybe your pet, and then send it back to the dock whenever you'd like. It's like having a home camera feed on wheels that you could tap into whenever you want. And the L40 Ultra Gen 2 unfortunately does not have any video monitoring capabilities. And in terms of the maximum runtime that both of these robot vacuums are rated for, they're both about the same. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 comes in at 194 minutes, and the T50 MAX Pro Omni comes in at 200 minutes. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 has a 5,200 mAh battery, while the T50 MAX Pro Omni has a 6,400 mAh EV-grade pouch battery. And chances are, if you're into smart home tech in 2026, you've probably become pretty accustomed to using voice assistants in just about every piece of smart home tech you use. And both of these robot vacuums do feature voice assistant integration for totally hands-free control. Of course, in addition to the respective smartphone applications for each of these robot vacuums. You can use Alexa or Google Assistant on either, and on the T50 MAX Pro Omni, you can use ECOVAC's own Yeeko voice control, which allows you to initiate commands just by saying, "Okay Yeeko," like this.
Okay, Yeeko.
Go ahead.
Start vacuuming.
Okay, start vacuuming the whole house.
And just like that, it'll get right to work. So both the T50 MAX Pro Omni and the L40 Ultra Gen 2 offer great robot vacuum experiences, while the L40 Ultra Gen 2 focuses more on raw suction power and certainly does a good job. When it comes to highly advanced automation and contextual awareness that results in the least amount of manual intervention, the T50 MAX Pro Omni does certainly stand out as feeling like a fully automated smart home cleaning system rather than just a robot vacuum. And this combined with nice additions like its super useful video monitoring feature and its higher 18mm mop lifting that'll protect any carpet from ever getting wet make the T50 MAX Pro Omni a fantastic robot vacuum. If you have a pretty simple living space without much clutter or furniture and just want the strongest vacuum power, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 is great. And if you have a constantly changing and multi-purpose space with a lot of furniture, things on the floor, and activity going on, the T50 MAX Pro Omni is fantastic, as it has all of the necessary contextual awareness and automation to seamlessly navigate any space. So if you want to take your home cleaning routine to the next level, click on the link in the video description down below to check out the ECOVACS T50 MAX Pro Omni. With Prime Day coming up, keep an eye out for ECOVACS deals, as some of their biggest savings of the year will be available during the event. Huge thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.